So Jennifer is our senior, what we call a tier 2, who does a predominant job of floor walking to make sure that we're providing a live support for all our agents out there. However, she also helps with a lot of the complex issues out there for our customers, to make sure that our frontline agents aren't getting stuck on anything complicated, but also to be able to support our customers to make sure that we're resolving issues no matter how complex they are.
Very, very bubbly, very lively character. She's very focused in what she does. She definitely knows her stuff.
Jen's very much a team player. She is super smart. She's always, willing to help with anything.
She has deep customer empathy, fantastic product knowledge, and always willing to go the extra mile.
Her character is such where people want to work with her. So that talks a little bit about how she portrays herself, right? In terms of I'm there to help you, right? I'm there to help anyone.
And to go the extra mile, she's always advocating for the customer, and she has hands down the best product knowledge in the company.
So for me, Jennifer is an absolute professional on everything she does. She never drops the ball on anything. She comes across as an absolute professional to all her colleagues and peers, as well as to our customers. And everything she does is so impactful to the entire team members as well as customers, and all our teams and customers appreciate everything that she does for us.
Jen is an absolute superstar.